Boston was 4 hours. Just got on our flight to Hong Kong. 15 hours to go. Wish us luck. We went from Austin to Boston to Hong Kong, and now we just landed in Phuket and we're on the shuttle to go to our hotel. It's right on the beach. Check it out.
It's over here.
Yeah, it's over there.
Chris! Dear God, it's the cutest little thing ever.
Okay, I show you. Look at me. Open mouth now, Valentine. Pag xuống mà. Yeah. You open mouth, you put inside. Okay?
Do it, Stacy. Do it, Stacy. I'll do it.
Okay.
I want to do it. Open your mouth.
Okay, open mouth, Valentine.
Oh, yeah, all right, right
away. Open mouth more. You can. Okay.
I'll do it. Hold on. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Go, boy. Oh, man.
โอ้ทำไมเล็กจังเลย
Okay, sit up.
Open mouth, Valentine.
Valentine.
Yeah. Call his name Valentine.
Oh, Valentine.
Here we are at the elephant sanctuary. We just fed the elephants a little bit. They have piles of bananas and watermelon and all kinds of fruit that the elephants are eating. My voice is completely shot, but this place is really amazing. We're about to eat lunch. There's little shops here. They have acres and acres of just places for the elephants to roam around. There's 2 different pools that we're gonna go in, like mud pools to cool the elephants off, that we're gonna get in later. This place is just truly incredible. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to video, but it's pretty amazing. You can see there's pools over there, elephants. It's a pretty incredible place.
Okay, Valentine, kiss me หน่อย Valentine ปากออกก่อนเร็ว
It's gonna be so wet.
1, 2, 3 Valentine one more
It's my neck.
เบา
Say bye, elephants.
Bye, baby. Naughty baby.
Elephants were amazing. We just got back to the hotel. We're exhausted. I think I'm getting sick. My throat hurts really bad. We're gonna go down to the pool and hang out for a little bit. And I think there's a fire show later tonight, so we'll check that out. Going down to the fire show. Might be cool. I hope it's cool. What are we doing?
Going to Phi Phi Island. Taking
Wow.
a private boat. We're gonna snorkel and swim and climb some rocks. It's gonna be great.